Hello friends, I am Roshni and I welcome you on our YouTube channel Jobs Junction, connecting talent with opportunity. It's your one-stop solution for converting your dreams into reality. Like always friends, I am here and so your opportunity. In today's video, we are going to talk about the vacancy which has been released by BEL. So friends, भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड ने रिलीज़ करी है यहाँ पे कुछ पोजीशंस फॉर डिफरेंट पोस्ट. ये पोजीशन आपके लिए कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल रहने वाली है, बट वाई यू शुड ज्वाइन BEL? You know BEL has enormous perks and also this contractual period will be for 3 years. Starting में 3 years का period रहेगा and which is expected to be extended up to 5 years. So if you are looking forward for a change and for uplifting your job profile, you should apply here. Let's talk about the details. BEL ने रिलीज करी थी एंड ये जो पोजीशन है आपकी, ये आपकी मछलीपट्टनम से आई है. सो आपकी जितनी भी पोजीशनिंग होगी ये आपकी मछलीपट्टनम के यूनिट में रहेगी. रिक्रूटमेंट फॉर दी प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर्स, यहाँ जो आपकी रिक्रूटमेंट्स हैं दैट इज़ फॉर प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर्स. तो अगर आपने इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट करी है फुल टाइम कोर्स इन द डोमेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और मैकेनिकल्स, देन यू कैन अप्लाई हियर. क्या क्या आपकी और क्राइटेरियाज रहने वाले हैं फॉर योर एलिजिबिलिटी? You can see the number of posts are 8 in case of electronics project engineer and 12 in case of mechanical project engineer. अपर एज लिमिट की अगर हम बात करें तो आपको अपनी जो एज कैलकुलेट करनी है फ्रेंड्स, दैट विल बी फ्रॉम 1 अक्टूबर 2024. ये आपकी कट ऑफ डेट आपको कंसीडर करनी है, जो कि आपकी रहने वाली है 32 ईयर्स इन केस ऑफ अनरिजर्व्ड और EWS एंड 37 ईयर्स इन केस ऑफ OBC, ST एंड SC कैटेगरी के लिए. पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस जो आपका मिनिमम है यहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड है, सो दैट विल बी 2 ईयर्स. आपका 2 साल का पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन होना चाहिए एक्सपीरियंस फॉर बोथ दी केसेस. रिजर्वेशन का डिटेल्स आपको गिवन है सीट्स में. एंड बात करते हैं यहाँ आपकी सैलरी की, रिन्यूमरेशन की, दैट विल बी 40,000 फॉर अ मंथ. सो इट विल बी अ गुड वन टू स्टार्ट. Age for candidates belonging to PWBD category having minimum 40% disability, then you will get additional 10 years relaxation. Now coming to educational qualification, as mentioned BTech अगर आपका complete है, so candidates should have completed full time BE, BTech or BSc engineering, 4 years course in electronics and communication for the electronics project engineer and completed full time BE, BTech, BSc engineering in mechanical for mechanical project engineer. Candidates having essential educational qualification with other discipline will not be considered. So you have to have a degree, completed degree in BTech, BE or BSc engineering with a 4 years full time regular course. Terms of engagement and remuneration, as mentioned to you, 3 years will be the starting period for the contract. The selected candidates will be engaged initially for a period of 3 years, which may be extended up to maximum of 4 years including initial period based on the recruitment and individual performance. So you should take entry once as per your performance. There is chance कि आपका period जो है improve हो जाएगा. And as discussed, remuneration will be 40,000 to 45,000. हर ईयर बाय ईयर जो आप फर्स्ट ईयर में आपका 40,000, देन इन द सेकेंड ईयर इट विल बी 45,000 एंड लाइकवाइज इट विल बी इंक्रीजिंग अप टू 55,000. The candidates who join as project engineer 1 and completed overall tenure of 4 years will be entitled for retention bonus of rupees 25,000 for every completed year. However, the retention bonus will be payable at the end of 4 years, that is rupees 1 lakh. So अगर आप कंप्लीट करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट को तो आपको एडिशनली 25,000 पर ईयर के अकॉर्डिंगली आपको बोनस जो होगा जो आपके टेन्योर की कंप्लीशन के बाद मिलेगा, दैट विल बी 1 लाख. सो इट्स ऑल्सो वन प्लस पॉइंट फॉर दिस. पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस की जो हम बात करते हैं, व्हाट इज दैट? मिनिमम 2 ईयर्स का आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए एंड इन दैट व्हाट विल बी इंक्लूडेड एंड व्हाट विल नॉट. Please note, academic, teaching experience, research work will not be considered. So it should be a completely industrial exposure. आपके पास यहाँ academic work या आपका कोई teaching experience या research experience will not be counted into that. 1 year completed apprenticeship training will be considered as experience. But अगर आपने apprentice किया है government से, then it will be considered as a experience part. Cut off date for deciding the maximum permissible age and experience will be 1/10/2024. Candidates with experience in any of the following areas will be preferred. So these are the areas जहाँ अगर आपने काम किया है तो आपका experience वहाँ पे considered होगा. That can be project engineer की तरह as a PCB testing and troubleshooting, in experience in inspection, assembly and testing of high precise devising, So this is about, now comes the question how to apply. There will be a Google form. Yes, what you have to do before the last date, that will be 12th of December, you have to apply by filling this Google form. You can directly go to the Google form using this link. Also we have attached the link in our description box. Interested candidates meeting the qualifying criteria as specified has to pre-register themselves through the Google forms to express their willingness, and the dates are 4 p.m. on 12th of December. So please keep that date in your mind. And how you have to fill the form, steps are there. You are required to fill the Google form. You will receive a registration mail where when you will having a successful registration, you will receive a mail on your registered email ID. After that, you can complete your procedure. Now coming to the what will be the mode of selection. The candidates meeting the qualifying criteria in the advertisement and pre-registered through Google form have to appear for written test as per the following details. So there will be a written test. Now comes the question, how will you be preparing for the written test? This is a major part of this procedure. For that, do not worry friends, we hold your back. Jobs Junction has released the test series also, so you can go and get our study material. And since you are a part of a family, then you can use my coupon code JOBS20 to get additional 20% discount. So do not forget, after watching the video, go fill the form, go and explore the test series. So these are the written test date, 14/12/2024. 14th of December will be the written test date, and these are the walk-in selection procedure and reporting time hours, 9:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. for the different places. Written test will be conducted for 85 marks, and the question will be multiple choice question, will be respective engineering field. This is the detail of your examination. Before applying friends, एक बार you should read the notification in detail. कहीं पे भी कोई query if you are getting, you can comment us, our team will get back to you and help you out. The candidates appearing for walk-in have to bring the following documents. Please, अगर आप walk-in के लिए जा रहे हैं, then you should carry all these documents. List is there. Please ensure you are not missing on any document कि end moment पे आपको इस वजह से आपका candidature reject हो. Application fee will be rupees 472. Candidates belonging to PWBD, ST and SC category will be exempted from the fee. So those who are into these categories, they do not have to pay any fee, but apart from that, general and economically weaker section has to pay rupees 472. How to pay? You have to go to this site, click on career, click on recruitment, and then click on link to our online payment, and there is an online payment. There will be a gateway where you can completely pay the fee. So this was about the notification. There are few general conditions which you can go through, and still friends, I'm telling you again, if you are facing any problem at any step of your candidature, please comment us. Team will get back to you to help you out. As you all know, Jobs Junction has opportunity for all, whether you are a fresher or an experienced person. So please get connected to us. You can visit our site www.jobsjunction.org for other vacancies also, and get connected to us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel for the early updates. And still, if you are coming first time on our channel, please like and subscribe our channel. I come up again to you with another vacancy. Until then, take care.